Welcome to the spoken tutorial on interfacing LabVIEW with Scilab. In my laptop, I have already installed LabVIEW 8.5 and Scilab 5.3.1. In order to interface LabVIEW with Scilab, go to scilab.org, click on Products, LabVIEW to Scilab Gateway. If you will open a link, download this LabVIEW to Scilab Gateway version 1.2. Open it in new tab. Then again click the hyperlink LabVIEW to Scilab Gateway. It will open a window website. You have to fill it up your personal details such as your name, mobile number, email ID, college name, etc. Then you can start download LabVIEW Scilab Gateway software. Click on begin download. It will around 2.1 MB in WinRAR file format. Go to the directory where you have downloaded your WinRAR file LabVIEW Scilab Gateway. Unzip this file. In a root directory where your LabVIEW 8.5 installed. I have already unzipped this file and installed in it LabVIEW 8.5 root directory. Go to LabVIEW block diagram. Select the function mathematics. In mathematics, select script and formula block. In script and formula block, you have script nodes. Script nodes may be XMath script node, MATLAB script node, Scilab script node. We want to interface LabVIEW with Scilab. Drag Scilab script node into the LabVIEW block diagram. Here I want to write a simple VI using Scilab script. Select the configure simulate block. Now to generate a sine waveform of 100, frequency 100, amplitude 1. Click on Scilab script node, add input and give some name, say some X. Connect this with simulate signal block. Here I am going to write a script in order to find out the FFT of the sine signal. That is, I am going to find out the spectrum of incoming signal. Capital Y is equal to absolute value of small y. In order to plot the spectrum of the incoming input signal, go to Scilab panel, select two graphic indicators. One is to show the input sine waveform, another one is to show the spectrum of the sine waveform. Select the properties of the wave graph. Give sine waveform scales. Select time scale 0 to 1 second. Amplitude auto scale 5 -5 scales y-axis amplitude auto scale x-axis frequency in hertz. Okay, go to block diagram. Click on Scilab script node, add output, give the output variable in which the spectrum of x is calculated is stored. Connect this output variable with the spectrum of sine waveform. Choose the data type in both input and output, 1D real array of real. Now to show the input sine waveform, connect this graph with input junction. Save the file. LabVIEW Scilab interface. Okay. Run this program. Click on sine waveform. Here the input sine waveform is shown in figure. And the spectrum of sine wave is shown in graph 2. One is at 100 Hz, another one is at 900 Hz. Similar to this one, you can write any Scilab script functions and you can interface Scilab with LabVIEW. You can interface Scilab with LabVIEW.